நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸில் எக்கனாமிக்ஸ், அதாவது இது வந்து ஃபுல் புக்கு 5 யூனிட்டும் இந்த புக்லேயே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இதில் இருக்க புக் பேக் கொஷின்ஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். இது வரைக்கும் என்னோட சேனல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாமல் பார்க்குறவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிவிட்டு பாருங்கள். பக்கத்தில் இருக்க பெல் பட்டனையும் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அப்போ தான் நான் போடுற வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு அடுத்தடுத்து வரும். வாங்க இப்போ நம்ம வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். யூனிட் 1, Gross Domestic Product and its growth and introduction. Choose the correct answer. First question, GNP equals GDP plus net property income from abroad. Second one, national income is a measure of total value of goods and services. Third one, primary sector consists of agriculture. Fourth one, value added approach is the value added by each intermediate good is summed to estimate the value of the final good. Fifth one, which one sector is highest employment in the GDP? Service sector. Sixth one, gross value added at current prices for services is estimated at 92.26 lakh crore in 2018-19. Seventh one, India is second largest producer in agricultural product. Eighth question, India's life expectancy at birth is 65 years. Ninth one, which one is a trade policy? Import and export policy. 10th one, Indian economy is developing economy. Fill in the blanks. First one, agriculture is the primary sector in India. Second one, GDP is the indicator of country's economy. Third one, secondary sector, otherwise called as industrial sector. To match the following. First, electricity by gas and water. Industry sector. Price policy, agriculture. GST, tax on goods and service. Per capita income, national income per population. C plus I plus G plus X minus M. Gross domestic product, GDP. Next unit பார்க்கலாம். Unit 2, globalization and trade. Choose the correct answer. First question, who is the head of the WTO, World Trade Organization, Director General? Second one, colonial advent in India. Option A, Portuguese, Dutch, English, Danish, French. Third one, GATT's first round held in Geneva. Fourth one, India signed the Duncan Proposal in 1994. Fifth one, who granted the English Golden Fireman in 1632? Sultan of Golconda. Sixth one, foreign investment policy announced in July-August 1991. Seventh one, Indian government was introduced new economic policy in 1991. Fill in the blanks. First question, a better economy introduced rapid development of the capital market. Second one, WTO agreement came into force from 1st January 1995. Third one, the term globalization invented by Professor Theodore Levitt. Match the following. Multinational corporation in India, Infosys, MNC, minimize cost of production. GATT, 1947. 8th Uruguay round, 1986. WTO, enforce international trade, 35214. Friends, next unit பார்ப்போம். Unit 3, food security and nutrition. Choose the correct answer. First question, availability of food is physical availability of food stocks in desired quantity, which is a function of domestic production, changes in stock and imports. Option A. Second one, buffer stock is the stock of food grains, namely wheat and rice, procured by the government through the FCI. Third one, which is correct? இதில் எது கரெக்ட்னு பார்த்தோம்னா HYC, high yielding varieties, minimum support price, public distribution system, food corporation of India, எல்லாமே கரெக்ட். ஆப்ஷன் டி, all are correct. Fourth one, United States of America extended assistance through its public law 480. Fifth one, Green Revolution was born in India, paving way for self-sufficiency in food grain production. Sixth one, Tamil Nadu is the only state in India to adopt universal PDS. Seventh one, nutrition is the process for providing or obtaining the food necessary for health and growth. Fill in the blanks. First one, underweight is an important indicator of nutrition deficiency. Second one, in the year 2013, National Food Security Act was passed by the Indian Parliament. Third one, consumer cooperatives play an important role in the supply of quality goods at responsible rates to common people. Match the following. Consumer cooperatives, supply of quality goods. Public Distribution System PDS, subsidized rates. UNDP, United Nations Development Programme. National Food Security Act 2013. Kerala Least Poor Region 24513. Okay. At the assertion type question. Assertion, purchasing power increases, price decreases, and vice versa. The production of goods decline, the price of goods increases, and then purchasing power is affected. இதுக்கு answer option A. A is correct. Reason is false. Okay, friends, next unit பார்க்கலாம். The unit 4, government and taxes. Choose the correct answer. First question. The three levels of government in India are union, state, and local. Second one, in India, taxes are including direct taxes, indirect taxes. Answer C, both A and B. Which is the role of government and development policies? Defense, foreign policy, regulate the economy. Answer D, all of above. Fourth one, the most common and important tax levied on an individual in India is income tax. Option C. Fifth one, under which tax one nation, one uniform tax is ensured? GST, goods and service tax. Sixth one, income tax was introduced in India for the first time in the year 1860. Option A. Seventh one, wealth tax is charged on the benefits derived from property ownership. Eighth one, what are identified as causes of black money? Shortage of goods, high tax rate, smuggling. Answer D, all of above. Fill in the blanks. First one, tax is levied by government for the development of the state's economy. Second one, the origin of the word tax is from the word taxation. Third one, the burden of direct tax cannot be shifted to the others. Fourth one, the Goods and Service Tax Act came into effect on 1st July 2017. Fifth one, the unaccounted money that is concealed from the tax administrator is called black money. Then choose the correct answer. Which of the following statements is correct about GST? GST is one point tax. இது வந்து correct. This aims is to replace all the direct taxes levied on goods and services. அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து இது wrong. அடுத்து third one, it will be implemented. இது correct. 1st July 2017. இது மட்டும் wrong. அதுக்கப்புறம் it will unified the tax structure in India. Answer C, 1, 3 and 4 are correct. இந்த செகண்ட் மட்டும் டைரக்ட் டேக்ஸ் வந்து ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணலை, அது மட்டும் ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ண கிடையாது அப்படிங்கிறது மட்டும் ராங். ஆன்சர் டி. அடுத்து மேட்ச் த ஃபாலோயிங். இன்கம் டேக்ஸ், டைரக்ட் டேக்ஸ். எக்ஸைஸ் டியூட்டி, இன்டைரக்ட் டேக்ஸ். வேட், வேல்யூ ஆடட் டேக்ஸ். GST 1st July 2017. பிளாக் மணி, ஸ்மக்லிங். 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நெக்ஸ்ட் யூனிட் பார்க்கலாம். Unit 5, Industrial Clusters in Tamil Nadu. Choose the correct answer. First question, the Detroit of Asia is Chennai. இது வந்து ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டண்ட்டான கொஸ்டின். அடுத்து செகண்ட் ஒன், pump sets and motors are produced mostly in Coimbatore. Third one, industry or an essential aspect of nation's development. Fourth, Tirupur is known for knitwear. Fifth one, a successful industrial cluster entirely created by Tamil Nadu is Hosur. Fill in the blanks. 100 of leather and tannery facilities are located around Vellore district in Tamil Nadu. Second one, special economic zones or policy was introduced in April 2000. Third one, entrepreneur is an innovator of new ideas and business processes. Pick out the odd one. Which one of the following is not having leather factories? Then தர்மபுரியில் தான் வந்து கிடையாது. Then second one, which one of the following is not an industrial developing agency? MEPZ, option C. And match the following. Entrepreneur, organizer. MEPZ, export processing zone. Indian Ordnance Factory, Aravangadu. TNPL, Karur, Manchester of South India, Coimbatore. 2, 5, 1, 3, 4. ஓகே ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இதோட நமக்கு 10th எக்கனாமிக்ஸில் இருக்க புக் பேக் கொஷின்ஸ் ஃபுல்லாக கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டோம். 5 யூனிட்டும் வந்து இதில் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டோம். உங்களை வேற ஒரு வீடியோவில் மீட் பண்ணுறேன். தேங்க்யூ.